How to streamline client presentations with 3D models. Presenting design ideas to clients can often be challenging, especially when they struggle to visualize flat drawings. That's where 3D modeling comes in, and Homestyler makes this process seamless. With just a few clicks, you can convert your designs into realistic 3D environments. Clients can take virtual tours, see spatial arrangements from different angles, and better understand your design intent. When using Homestyler, start by completing your design in 2D or using a template. Then, use the built-in rendering tools to switch to 3D mode. You can highlight features like room layout, lighting, furniture placement, and more. It's a powerful way to build trust with your clients. During presentations, share your screen or export panoramic views to let clients explore the space on their own. This is especially effective for remote meetings or clients who can't visit in person. Want to offer next-level experiences? The link to Homestyler is in the description. Try the platform today to streamline your workflow. Instead of just talking about ideas, show them. 3D presentations reduce revisions, improve clarity, and speed up project approvals. The more vivid and interactive your presentation, the more impressed your client will be.